Dear Achan and Amma, wish you a very, very happy 50th wedding anniversary.
50-ാം വാർഷികം ആഘോഷിക്കുന്ന അച്ഛനും അമ്മയ്ക്കും ആശംസകളും ആയുരാരോഗ്യ സൗഖ്യവും ദീർഘായുസ്സും നേരുന്നു. നിങ്ങളെന്നും ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് അച്ഛനും അമ്മയും ഗുരുക്കന്മാരും മാർഗദർശികളും ആണ്. മുദ്ര സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ സർവ്വാത്മക ശേഷിയുടെ ആഴം കലാകുടുംബത്തിലേക്ക് വരുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് ഞാൻ അറിഞ്ഞിരുന്നു. ഏത് ചെറിയ കലാകാരനും മുദ്രയിൽ ബഹുമാനിക്കപ്പെട്ടിരുന്നു, പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കപ്പെട്ടിരുന്നു, നൃത്യാചാരമായ കലാതന്ത്രിമാരാൽ അനുഗ്രഹിക്കപ്പെട്ടിരുന്നു. ജീവിത സാഹചര്യങ്ങളിൽ വിഷമഘട്ടങ്ങളിൽ നൽകപ്പെട്ട മാർഗനിർദ്ദേശങ്ങൾക്കും കാണിച്ചു തന്ന വഴികൾക്കും ഗുരുക്കളെന്ന നിലയിൽ കടപ്പെട്ടിരുന്നു. കലയെ സ്നേഹിക്കുന്ന അനേക ശിഷ്യഗണങ്ങൾക്ക് നിങ്ങളിലൂടെ ലഭിച്ച സൗഭാഗ്യങ്ങൾ 50 വർഷം പൂർത്തിയാക്കുന്ന ഈ വേളയിൽ പുണ്യങ്ങളായി വർഷിക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. കലാകാരൻ എന്ന നിലയിൽ എൻ്റെ നിയോഗമായിരിക്കാം 50 വർഷം നീണ്ട കലോപാസനയ്ക്ക് പക്കമേളം ഒരുക്കാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞത്. സംഗീതം നൃത്തം ജീവിതമാക്കിയ ഇവരോടൊപ്പം ജീവിക്കാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞത് അസുലഭ ഭാഗ്യമായി പുണ്യമായി കരുതുന്നു. എല്ലാം മംഗളാശംസകളും നേരുന്നു.
Achan and Amma, you are not only my parents, but my guru and my best friends. I wish you a very, very happy and healthy life ahead.
मातृदेवो भव, पितृदेवो भव, आचार्य देवो भव, अतिथि देवो भव. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. A very happy Golden Jubilee anniversary, dear Achan and Amma. When you celebrate the 50 years of glorious love, affection, partnership, trust with each other, we feel very blessed to have you as our guru, mentor and parents. We are extremely fortunate and blessed to have you as our gurus, our mentor, our teacher, and also as our parent who always have stood by us no matter what, have been a great support, have taught us the value of family and the good moral values.
Gifted us and Gujarat, Mudra, and today Mudra is a huge family and you are the head of the family who we look upon to support and guide us. Thank you so much Amma and Acha. May you be blessed with all happiness, health, wealth and prosperity and many, many years of togetherness. Namaskaram.
Wishing you a very happy golden anniversary, Achan and Amma. Words are just not enough to express how I feel about you both. Although I am poor in expressing my feelings, I hope I am able to convey what I feel. It takes 50 years for marriage to turn gold. You truly love each other, no matter what. You are a perfect pair. You both make me feel love always. You both are an inspiration to all of us. You have taught us that love must be taken care of with respect, care, and forgiveness. Although we are still learning, both of you are so special in your own way and push the other one up when things are not going that well. That's an amazing teamwork. Your unity brings happiness to my heart and a sense of pride of having you as my parents. People should learn from you how to stick by for the better and for the worst. You both are great parents, in-laws and grandparents. As you reflect back today on the 50 years of your marriage, may every memory bring a smile to your face and strength for another 50 years together. Once again, happy Golden Jubilee.
Wish you a very happy 50th anniversary, Mutisha Mama. I pray to God that you always stay happy and bubbly like you always are. Even though I've turned 25 now, there is no secret about my personal life that I haven't shared with you. If you know, you know. I remember one incident when I was 13 years old. I used to use Mutisha's phone quite often. I used to download all the games in it, because of which his mobile bills used to be worth 3,000 to 4,000 every month. And poor, he used to pay all the bills without even scolding me. When one day Amuma came to know about the bill, and she got very angry and scolded him like anything. And poor, he didn't even say my name. That shows that how much of loving and caring grandparents they are. Whatever cooking skills I've inherited, it is from Mutisha, as we all know that how much of a great cook he is. While Amuma is a great planner and an advisor and an even better entrepreneur. Both of them are an inspiration for me, Vaishu and Samriddhi. Once again, wishing both of you a very happy anniversary and may God bless you with good health and a happy life ahead. Thank you.
Happy 50th wedding anniversary, dear Mutusha Mama. I cannot begin to describe how blessed I am to have amazing grandparents like you. You have made our childhood so memorable. I still remember when we used to miss our uniform at drive-in, and Mutushan used to drive down to our house around 6 a.m. with the uniform iron and drop us to school. Amuma used to prepare me for the exams while Mutushan used to make hot tea and bataka poha to make me happy, which I still cherish. Even today, I enjoy spending time with both of you. You too know that the best quality of Mutusha Amuma is they can mingle with any age group. I have grown up seeing both of you in so much love with each other, helping each other always and supporting the family. You both are an inspiration to all of us. I pray to the Almighty to give both of you good health, peace, and happiness in the coming years. Love you both.
Happy Golden Jubilee, Tata Tati. I love you a lot. You are very sweet and caring grandparents. My tati gives me food in my mouth and tells me many stories, and my tata gives me everything what I want. I love you so much. Happy Golden Jubilee again.
Wish you a very happy 50th anniversary, Rachichi Baskreta, my favorites. God bless you with good health always, and hope to see you both together. Lovely couple. Anniversary greetings from Venu and me.
It is very nice and wonderful to know that our dear Bhaskar Bhai and Radha are completing 50 years of their marriage. It's a golden jubilee celebration for them, and I wish them all the very best. Give them heartiest congratulations. I have known them as a very compatible couple. They both are interested in dance. They both teach wonderful dance, and they are dedicated to each other. I've always seen them smiling and loving each other. I know Bhaskar Bhai for many years now, because in 60s when I used to be a student at Darpana learning Bharatanatyam, and Bhaskar Bhai was a Kathakali dancer and a student, and we both used to meet for every day for several hours. We participated in many performances together, practiced together. So we used to be a very good friend. Of course, we are very good friends now too, but we hardly are able to meet now. But at that time, because we were of the almost same age, I used to tease him when I learned that he is in love with someone called Radha from Mumbai, and she comes from a dancer's family. Her father is a very well-known dance guru, and I used to tease him quite a lot. I had an opportunity to meet his father, Shri U.R. Mananji. He was a very good astrologer too, and I saw him predicting so many things for many people around. Bhaskar Bhai was a very dedicated dancer. I started my Nartan in 1971, and he started his Mudra Institute after a few years. And we both are in the same profession. Whenever we meet, we really love to meet each other, and they have been doing wonderful work in the field of dance. Bhaskar Bhai is a one person who has created complete academy in himself, because Bhaskar Bhai and Radha, they both are teaching dance. Then his daughter Aparna is a very good singer and teacher. Prem Kiranji, Aparna's husband, is a very good violinist. Both the children are also interested in dance, Sri Hari and Vaishnavi. I know Anant is a very talented dance teacher, very dedicated dance teacher. His wife Smidha and his daughter Samruddhi. So they are a wonderful family. I wish Bhaskar Bhai and Radhaben and both his family a wonderful and very healthy time ahead, and have a great many more years of happiness, fulfillment and health. So thank you, Anant, for informing me. It's my joy to wish both of them a wonderful time, still so many years to go together, and give Ahmedabad a rich heritage of dance, as they have trained so many students in dance, and they will be doing so. All your family will be doing so for many more years now. Thank you, and wishing you a wonderful life, fulfilling life ahead.
My sister Neeti and I both learned from Bhaskaretan and Raichechi. We were very small at that time. In fact, it was while we were learning at Mudra that both Anant and Aparna were born. We used to call them Bhaskaretan and Raichechi because not only were they gurus, but they were like family to us. Both my sister and I learned Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi from there. We were also the first brother-sister that I think in Gujarat had an Arangetram, and that was under Mudra School of Classical Dances. And while we were studying there, we had many colleagues. I remember Aarti, and then of course Shailaja and Aruna, and many others who danced with us, Preeti. We were all a group, and it was a wonderful time that we were there with them. And after the Arangetram, we had a wonderful time traveling and doing a lot of performances. Both Radhichechi and Bhaskaretan are such wonderful human beings, always very happy, very jolly, and traveling used to be a great adventure for all of us. The humor, the fun, everything that we had while we were traveling with them. Time flies, and one doesn't realize how many years have passed away. Learning from them was a great joy for both my sister and I. Today, I can say that whatever I am and wherever I am seated, it is all because of all these gurus. Like you just saw, every day in the morning when I come to college, I first pay my respects to all these gurus, including Bhaskaretan and Radhichechi, and then I begin my work. So Bhaskaretan and Radhichechi, all the very best from all of us. If Amma was here, she would have been so happy because she also was very fond of both of you. All the very best and have a wonderful day, and we wish you many years of happiness together. Pranam.
ടീച്ചറിനും സാറിനും എൻ്റെ പ്രണാമം. നല്ല ഗുരുക്കന്മാരെ കിട്ടുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അതൊരു ദൈവാനുഗ്രഹമാണ്. എനിക്കും ഷാജനും ആ ഭാഗ്യം കിട്ടി. ഡാൻസിനോടൊപ്പം ഞങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ചത് ഡെഡിക്കേഷൻ, ഡിവോഷൻ, പങ്ക്ച്വാലിറ്റി, ഇതൊക്കെ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ലൈഫിൽ വളരെ യൂസ്ഫുള്ളായിരുന്നു. പിന്നെ ടീച്ചറും സാറും ആസ് എ കപ്പിൾ, എ പെർഫെക്റ്റ് മെയ്ഡ് ഫോർ ഈച്ച് അതർ കപ്പിൾ. എനിക്ക് ഏറ്റവും ഓർമ്മ വരുന്നത് ടീച്ചറുടെയും സാറിൻ്റെയും സ്റ്റേജ് പെർഫോമൻസ്. സാറിൻ്റെ ആ സ്പോണ്ടേനിയസ് സ്റ്റെപ്സ്, ടീച്ചറുടെ ഗ്രേസ് ആൻഡ് എക്സ്പ്രഷൻ, വാട്ട് എ കോമ്പിനേഷൻ. എനിക്ക് താങ്ക്സ് പറയേണ്ടത്, എനിക്ക് എങ്ങനെയാണ് താങ്ക്സ് പറയേണ്ടതെന്ന് അറിയില്ല. ദ എഫേർട്ട് യു ടുക്ക് ഡ്യൂറിങ് അവർ അരങ്ങേറ്റം, ഇറ്റ് വാസ് I don't know, I don't have words to thank you for that. ദൈവം സർവ്വ ഐശ്വര്യങ്ങളും സൗഭാഗ്യവും ദീർഘായുസ്സും തരുന്ന ടീച്ചറിനെയും സാറിനെയും കാത്തുരക്ഷിക്കട്ടെ. താങ്ക് യു അനു ഫോർ ഗിവിങ് അസ് ദിസ് ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി, ആൻഡ് ടീച്ചർ ആൻഡ് സാറിനും എ വെരി ഹാപ്പി വെഡിങ് ആനിവേഴ്സറി. ടീച്ചറുടെയും സാറിൻ്റെയും കാലിൽ നമിച്ചോട്ടെ.
Namaskaram, sir. Got the news about your anniversary in the coming days. Wish you both a very happy anniversary. It also comes wishes from my parents from Uttapalam. Papa and Mama have also conveyed. Madhu and family from US, they have also conveyed their best wishes to you. And from all of us from here, Cochin also. A very, very happy anniversary to both of you. I feel privileged and blessed that I have been your student and we are still in touch. Wish you all the best and hope you all are doing good. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
I wish you a very happy 50th marriage anniversary. It is my pleasure to have gurus like both of you who are very generous, simple, and down to earth. And for that, I would like to give credit to Sheetal, who introduced me to you. I still remember Tulsi Ballet, in which I had an opportunity to perform the role of Krishna. So many sweet and lifelong memories are treasured in my heart with Mudra family. May God bless you and give fruitful, memorable, happy and healthy life ahead. Thanks Anand for giving me this wonderful opportunity to be a part of celebration as Mudra family. Thank you very much. Namaste.
Congratulations to my wonderful gurus Shri Bhaskar and Srimati Radha Menon for your 50th wedding anniversary. May your love always be golden. You have enjoyed 50 years of moments and memories together. You showed us how strong love can be. I love you with all my heart and wish you all the best as you continue your journey of togetherness. We love you. Congratulations. Happy wedding anniversary from Deepa, Ashish and Aditya Shah. Thank you.
का बहुत प्यार और सपोर्ट मिला, मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाया, वो मेरे लिए बहुत स्वीट मेमोरी है वो सालों की। मैं बहुत प्राउड फील करती हूँ आपके साथ आपका स्टूडेंट होकर। विश यू वेरी हैप्पी एंड हेल्दी लाइफ बोथ ऑफ यू एंड मेरा प्रणाम, नमस्ते।
Dear teacher and sir, wish you a very happy 50th anniversary. We wish you a very healthy and happy life, and whatever remembrances that we have of you can fill a book, and we don't have that much time to say all that just now. We have always remembered and will remember your love and affection that as students you have given to us, and you both have been great and very patient teachers. Thank you so much.
Hello Radhaman and sir, happy anniversary to you both. Wishing you a very happy and healthy life ahead. Thanks.
Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Pranamams to my Guru, teacher and sir. I wish you a happy wedding anniversary. Congratulations on 50 years of happiness and success. There is a belief that Lord Shiva is almost nothing without goddesses Parvati, because energy comes from Parvati. Shiva is the body using which actions can be performed. Similar to that, I think teacher is a symbol of positive energy, and sir is known for taking actions. Teacher always has been visionary, planning well, and sir is absolutely amazing in taking action as per that plan and vision. Action without any plan might not do good. Similar to that, planning alone without any action also will not do any good. So the combination of both is success. What I'm trying to say is the combination of teacher and sir is the reason for the success of Mudra. That's why we even when we pray to Lord Shiva and Parvati, we say Shiva Shakti Aikya Rubena Namostute. Aikya Rupa means together. So together, both of you are a solution to any challenge that might come or may have come. But together, teacher and sir is a solution, is the reason and is the secret behind the success. I and Shainu both would like to extend our gratitude for all the teachings throughout. We still cherish your teachings. It's almost 30 to 35 years. We are fortunate that 30 years back, when technology was not there, we could learn dance from you. It was only love and blessings that acted as motivation. Today we have technology, today everything is there. But those days, with limited resources, we were able to gain knowledge from you. We cherish those memories. And as Shainu said, we bow down before you and we request you to keep blessing us. And once again, congratulations on your 50th wedding anniversary. Thank you so much for blessing us. God bless.
आदरणीय मैडम और सर, नमस्ते। आप दोनों ने मेरी और उपासना की जिंदगी में नृत्य शिक्षा के जरिए बहुत रोशनी डाली है। परोक्ष अपरोक्ष विधि से आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखा भी है, जिसके लिए हम हमेशा हमेशा के लिए आपके ऋणी रहेंगे। आप दोनों के जीवन सहचर्य के 50 साल होने के अवसर पर हम सबकी बहुत बहुत शुभकामना आपके साथ है। ईश्वर आप दोनों को स्वस्थ और आनंदित दीर्घायु बख्शे, ऐसी हमारी प्रार्थना। आप दोनों को कुटुंब परिवार और नृत्य परिवार के सभी सदस्यों का प्यार और सहयोग हमेशा मिलता रहे। बहुत बहुत बधाई, प्रणाम।
We, Dr. Subramanian and family, are thankful to Guru Sri Bhaskar Menon, Guru Srimati Radha Menon, Guru Sri Anant Menon and Guru Srimati Aparna Kiran for nurturing our daughters Aparna and Sharanya and having initiated them in this path of sadhana through dance. Mudra has been a flag bearer of Indian culture through classical dance. We cherish every moment of celebration with Team Mudra. We are fortunate to have been associated with you. We pray to God that may this parampara called Mudra continue to flourish and help many more flowers to bloom. Congratulations to Team Mudra.
હું મારું પરમ સૌભાગ્ય સમજું છું કે મને આદરણીય શ્રી ભાસ્કર મેનન અને આદરણીય શ્રીમતી રાધા મેનન જેવા હાઈલી નોલેજેબલ તેમજ ઉત્કૃષ્ટ કલાકારના શિષ્ય બનવાની તક મળી છે. બંનેને મારા અનેકશ પ્રણામ. 1981 લગભગ 8 વર્ષની ઉંમરમાં શ્રીમતી રાધા મેમ તથા શ્રી ભાસ્કર સર પાસે નૃત્ય શીખવાનું શરૂ કર્યું. નૃત્યની સાથે સાથે સરળતા, સાદગી ઉપરાંત આટલા જ્ઞાનસભર અને પ્રેમાળ વ્યક્તિત્વનો હંમેશા પરિચય થયો છે અને હંમેશા મારા જીવનમાં આ ગુણ ઉતારવાની પ્રેરણા પણ મળી. રાધા મેમ સાથે ડાન્સ ટીચર હોવાની સાથે સાથે એક વડીલ તરીકેનો પણ હંમેશા અહેસાસ રહ્યો છે. એમણે સ્થાપેલી સંસ્થા મુદ્રા સ્કૂલ ઓફ ઇન્ડિયન ક્લાસિકલ ડાન્સીસ દ્વારા એમણે નૃત્યકલાની ઉત્તમ સેવા કરી છે. 40 વર્ષ પહેલાં મારી શરૂ થયેલી નૃત્ય સાધના આ બંને ગુરુઓના આશીર્વાદથી આજ પર્યંત ચાલુ રહી છે. એમના મારા જીવનમાં આ કલા પ્રદાનની સરાહના કરું છું અને એ માટે હંમેશા ઋણી છું. આપ બંનેની 50મી વેડિંગ એનિવર્સરી નિમિત્તે પ્રાર્થના કરું છું કે ઈશ્વર એમને સ્વસ્થ, દીર્ઘાયુ, નિરામય જીવન આપે અને મારા જેવા અનેકને એમની કલાનો લાભ મળતો રહે. ફરીથી આપ બંનેને મારા તરફથી ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન તથા પ્રણામ.
फाउंडर आदरणीय श्री भास्कर मेनन सर और को फाउंडर आदरणीय श्रीमती राधा भास्कर मेनन मैडम, आपको आज 50 साल जो आपके शादी के पूरे हुए हैं, वो 50th गोल्डन जुबली पर हमारी ओर से हृदय से हम आपको शुभकामनाएं प्रदान करते हैं, आपका अभिवादन करते हैं. इन 50 सालों में आपने हजारों स्टूडेंट्स को तैयार किया है. आपके बाद आपके अनंत सर, अपर्णा मैम और पूरा परिवार ये जो भरतनाट्यम की कला का क्षेत्र है उसमें अनेक तेजस्वी विद्यार्थियों को तैयार करते रहे हैं. आने वाले समय में ऐसी आशा है कि आपके द्वारा और आनंद सर के द्वारा, अपर्णा मैम के द्वारा और कई टैलेंटेड स्टूडेंट्स गुजरात में तैयार होंगे। आपका जीवन सुखरूप हो, आने वाले लंबे समय तक आप हमारे जैसे आपके कई विद्यार्थियों को प्रेरणा देते रहे, ऐसी शुभकामनाएं। बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
हेलो सर एंड मैम, आपने हमारे जीवन में कला को जीवंत रखने के लिए बहुत बड़ा योगदान दिया है जो हम कभी नहीं भूलेंगे। विश यू हैप्पी 50th एनिवर्सरी और हमारी ये प्रार्थना है कि आपका ये सफ़र और भी लंबा चले। थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी सर एंड मैम।
नमस्कार. ഗുരുതുല്യരായ ശ്രീമതി രാധാ ഭാസ്കർ മേനോൻ ആൻഡ് ഭാസ്കർ മേനോൻ അവർ രണ്ടുപേരുടെയും 50ാം വിവാഹ വാർഷികത്തിൽ എൻ്റെയും എൻ്റെ കുടുംബത്തിൻ്റെയും എല്ലാ ആശംസകളും അർപ്പിക്കുന്നതോടൊപ്പം സർവ്വ ഐശ്വര്യങ്ങളും ആയുരാരോഗ്യ സൗഖ്യവും ഉണ്ടാകട്ടെ എന്ന് ജഗദീശ്വരനോട് താഴ്മയായി പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. നമസ്കാരം.
ഹാപ്പി വെഡിങ് ആനിവേഴ്സറി.
नृत्य शिल्पी एकेडमी और जंकना शाह की ओर से मुद्रा इंस्टीट्यूट के पायनियर श्री गुरु भास्कर मेनन और श्रीमती राधा भास्कर को सायुज्य के अवसर के 50 वर्ष पूर्ण करने के लिए मेरा शत शत वंदन, बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन, जिसका मेरे जीवन में बहुत बहुत अधिक ऋण है, जिन्होंने मुझे जीवन के मूल्यों को बहुत आगे आगे कैसे ले जाना है वह समझाया है। जितने मेरे माता पिता उतने ही मेरे गुरु मेरे जीवन में मुझे अनमोल सीख देते हैं। वैसे गुरु को बहुत बहुत वंदन। हम कितने सौभाग्यशाली हैं जिन्हें आप जैसे गुरु दंपति प्राप्त हुए हैं। आप सिर्फ नृत्य वर्ग नहीं, आप जीवन के मूल्यों को पढ़ाते हैं। आप छोटी छोटी बात को सिखा के हमें बहुत ऊपर आत्मा की अनुभूति तक लेके जाते हैं। आप एक मुद्रा इंस्टीट्यूट नहीं, आप एक यूनिवर्सिटी के समान हैं। आपके पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ से हम आज भी इंस्पायर होते हैं। आज की जो सिचुएशन है उसमें आपने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेके हमें बहुत इंस्पायर किया है। 2-3 दिन पहले ही त्रिविधा में आपको ऑनलाइन लेक्चर लेते हुए देख और सर को नृत्य करके देख आंखें भर आई। और हम हमेशा आपके दाम्पत्य जीवन आप हमेशा कहती हैं जंकना अपने जीवन साथी की खूबी और खामी दोनों को हमें संजोड़ के रखना है। और आपका जीवन सर हमेशा आपको बहुत प्यार से पुकारते थे राधा, और आप इतनी ही गर्व से मान से उनको रिप्लाई देती थी जी सर। बस आपके दाम्पत्य का यही विशेष संबंध जो हमने देखा है, जो जिसकी हमने अनुभूति की है, वो हमारे जीवन में थोड़ा उतारे और प्रभु नटराज से प्रार्थना करें कि आप दोनों का ऐसे ही सायुज्य बना के रखें और आप बहुत बहुत लोगों को नृत्य दान करें।
Happy anniversary, sir and madam. As your student for so many years, I've always known the two of you as a team, united by your great love for dance, of course, but also a team built on a foundation of love, respect, and of course, humor. I remember sir telling us the story of how he went out for a movie with madam many years ago, before they were married, I think, with all of madam's sisters in tow. I think the most important thing that you've taught your students is the love for dance. And to be able to do that for so many people over the years, together as a team, requires not just for you to be the great dancers that you are, but also for there to be genuine love and understanding between the two of you. And we're so grateful to have gotten a small part of that love. I'm so happy to celebrate this day with you in whatever way I can. And I hope that the number of people who are touched by this great partnership that you both have keeps growing in the coming years.
હેલો, હેપી એનિવર્સરી ભાસ્કર સર અને રાધા મેમ. થોડાક જ સેકન્ડના વિડીયોમાં શું કહીશ આટલા વર્ષોની મારી જર્ની ડાન્સ સાથેની એ નથી ખબર, પણ હા, મને છેલ્લા 20 વર્ષોમાં તમારા પાસેથી ડાન્સની સાથે સાથે બીજું શું નથી શીખવા મળ્યું એ તો એક લિસ્ટ બનાવવા બેસીશ ને તો કદાચ વિડીયોમાં તો નહીં જ સમાઈ રહે. પણ હા, તમારો અને અપર્ણા મેમ અને આનંદભાઈનો અને બધાનો જે પ્રેમ અને સાથ સહયોગ મળ્યા છે આટલા વર્ષોમાં એ ખરેખર ભૂલી શકાય એમ જ નથી. અને લાઈફ ટાઈમ આ સપોર્ટ અને જે પણ સહકાર અને પ્રેમને છે બસ આવી જ રીતે બનેલો રહે એ જ હું ઈચ્છું છું. અને કાયમ તમે તંદુરસ્ત અને હસતા બોલતા અને કાર્યરત રહો એવી જ પ્રભુને ઈચ્છા. હેપી એનિવર્સરી વન્સ અગેન. થેન્ક યુ.
નિખેવના સંપાદન અને સમજનું શ્રેષ્ઠ ચિત્ર છે. થોડો વખત મુદ્રામાં ગુજરાતી એનાઉન્સમેન્ટ માટે તાલીમ અને કામ મળ્યું. નૃત્યના પરિવેશમાં સ્ક્રિપ્ટ લખવી, નવી નવી કૃતિઓનું સાહિત્ય અને રાધા મેમનું માર્ગદર્શન જ્ઞાનમાં વધારો કર્યો. પ્રભુ કૃપાથી તેઓ શ્રી દાંપત્ય જીવન અને કલા જગત બંનેને માટે આજ પર્યંત કાર્યરત રહ્યા છે. એમાં છેલ્લા 2 વર્ષના કોરોના કાળમાં તો વધુ પ્રેરણારૂપ રહ્યા. આ સમયમાં મેં એમને વધુ સહજ જોયા છે. સરનું સ્મિત અને રાધા મેમનું માધુર્ય, બસ આમ જ અમે પામ્યા કરીએ. આ ખાસ દિવસ અને પ્રસંગે છેલ્લે એટલી પ્રાર્થના, આપ બંને સ્વસ્થ રહો અને અમને પ્રેરતા રહો. સ્વસ્થ અને સફળ દાંપત્ય જીવનની ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છા સહ વંદન.
My dearest sir and teacher, Pranam. Wish you both a very, very, very happy 50th anniversary. I wish times were different and more when I could come and wish you personally and celebrate, but at least we are getting this chance. I have so many memories from my childhood with you all, and I keep talking about it, I keep thinking about it. So if I start sharing all of them, I think it's going to be a long list. But yeah, you know, small things like how I used to be one lazy student, teacher, you would agree, and I would not go down in my Arbandi and you like, Chandu, Puttu, go down, and I wouldn't listen. And sometimes when my class is going on, sir would pass by from the door, and then I don't know why, but I was always very scared of sir, even though he never scolded me. But yeah, the moment I would see him passing by, expressions will start coming. I will go down in Harmony very well. So yeah, but these are sweet memories I have, and so many more. Maybe one day I will come and I will meet you all, and we'll think about and talk about all those memories again. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day ahead and have lots of fun and miss us in the celebration. And I hope to see you very soon. Thank you. Pranam.
Namaste Bhaskar sir and Radha ma'am. Wish you a joyous and healthy 50th wedding anniversary. I am so honored and grateful to have you as my gurus. You taught me that to dance is not only about moving one's body elegantly and rhythmically in an eye-pleasing manner. To dance is also about molding one's mind to be disciplined, modest, and more importantly, empathetic. I am extremely thankful for the solid impact you had in shaping my journey so far, and my heart feels full when I see so many other souls getting enlightened under your tutelage. I wish I was slipping in this message in a card along with a Mogra Veni while serving the tea mom used to make for Sunday classes. Wish you both a long life full of love and laughter ahead. Namaste.
Although I am Anand sir's student, Radha ma'am and Bhaskar sir have always been very helpful to me during my Arangetam process also. Whenever sir was busy with the classes, Radha ma'am and Bhaskar sir would personally come and help me with my expressions, the postures, and any other doubts that I used to have. One particular incident which I can never forget is during my Upanda Visharad exam, and sir was taking another class for the examination and I had to do Varnam. Varnam has always been a weakness to me and it's very difficult for me to remember, and when the examiner asked me to perform it, I panicked seeing Anand sir was not there and I almost froze and I was so sure that I'm going to fail this exam, but immediately Radha ma'am and Bhaskar sir helped me with it. They made me calm down in the situation and asked me to work whatever I remember, try doing that much. And even if I was making a mistake, they would tell me it's okay, start again, calm down, take 2 minutes. So it was a very big help for me. Even in that examination where I was so sure I was going to fail, I only passed because they managed to help me in the situation. They managed to calm me down. There have been a lot of instances like this in my entire duration in Mudra, where they have always been there for me, and I consider them as my family. We always say in Mudra also that we are a part of Mudra family, and I'm very proud that I am a part of Mudra family, and I'm very proud that even though I couldn't get training under their guidance, but some way or the other during, may it be the Arangetam or the practice for programs, they have always been there to guide, and that extra bit of knowledge that we used to receive from their experience was a huge help, and it has helped us gain immense knowledge in our own personal life as well as professional life. And I am extremely proud of what I am today. I was someone who was having a stage fear, and now just because...
Pranams dear Radha ma'am and Bhaskar sir. I was elated when we were asked to make this video on the occasion of your 50th wedding anniversary. However, the initial excitement was soon followed by a huge dilemma because I really didn't know where to begin. Radha ma'am, my mind was flooded with so many memories and innumerable conversations that we've had. You've always been my unofficial therapist, and I'm sure most of your students feel that way about you. Some 5-6 years ago, when you were teaching me Manavi, the Varnam, you told me about the significance of Sakhi, how Sakhi actually represented the Guru who was a medium between a disciple and the Almighty. I was in a phase of life when I was still exploring the meaning of religion and spirituality. A year later, when you taught me Simha Vahini, I vividly remember one day you asked me, if you don't know much about mythology and religion, how is it that you are able to relate to this Varnam and do the Abhinaya? In that moment, I realized that dancing was the only way of praying that I knew. You were indeed the Sakhi in all of your students' lives, the Guru who took her disciples a little closer to the Almighty through the incredible gift of dance. Radha ma'am and Bhaskar sir, the fondest memory that I have of you two is when ma'am used to read out the newspaper to sir sitting on the swing outside when I used to come for class in the mornings. When we were in class, sir would then very sweetly bring a cup of tea to ma'am and then be engaged in household work. In times when we are all apprehensive and confused about commitment, marriage, and gender roles in a marriage, especially now that most women are working, Sir and ma'am made it look so organic and easy. For me, the love of Shiva and Shakti has always been the most pious, and I have always seen ma'am and sir as their embodiment. Wishing ma'am and sir a very happy 50th wedding anniversary and many, many, many more years of togetherness to come. Thank you.
Hello sir, hello ma'am. First of all, a very happy anniversary to both of you. Thank you so much for showcasing the love that grows. It is inspiring and alluring. It is so sweet to see the love and respect you share for each other. And it is just amazing to see the sparkle you have in eyes when you perform. Technically, I have known you for a very longer period of time, but I came to know you personally when I came back to you for my Arangetram, and that period is really close to my heart, not just because it helped me to cope up with my personal loss, but it was the time when I came to know you personally. And looking into today's time, that feels so precious because I was privileged to be there in person, to learn from you in person. You may not remember, but every day talking to you for that 20-30 minutes was so close to my heart. You sharing your life experiences, your stories with Bhaskar sir, and everything in general. It was so special to me and so inspiring that I will never forget. And it's really close to my heart. Also, I know that how much Mudra is close to you both, and your blessings and you both as a team has made Mudra what it is today, and it has given me a lot. I may not be a regular student as many of yours, but whatever time I have been there, I have observed a lot, I have learned a lot, and I hope to continue it for a longer period of time. And I have not only got introduced to you, but Mudra has given me new friends. It has helped me to know different artists out there. And not only you, but I got introduced to Anand sir and Aparna ma'am, who are the sweetest, caring, and one of the most down-to-earth people. I have learned to love and respect the art form from you both. So thank you so much, and once again a very happy anniversary to both of you. 50 is just not a number. It showcases the love, memories, admiration, and tough calls. And I just wish when you look back to those 50 years, it brings smile to your faces and it gives you strength for another 50 years together. Hope you stay safe, stay healthy. May God bless you, and I hope to see you soon. Take care. Thank you. Bye.
નમસ્કાર. આદરણીય બડે સર અને બડે મેમના 50th સુવર્ણ સંઘાત ઉપર બંને ગુરુજનોને મારા તરફથી નમન. હું તો ફક્ત ત્યાં શીખવા જતી હતી. સ્ટર્લિંગમાં મારા બીજા ઘરની સુવાસ હતી, જ્યાં બે વટવૃક્ષના સંઘાતની જુગલબંધી છે. એક સ્વયં શક્તિ તો બીજા સ્વયં શિવ. એ વાત જ અનોખી છે. એ દીર્ઘ સમન્વયથી જાણે નૃત્ય સંસાર અવિરત વિસ્તરી રહ્યો છે. આજે પણ દિવાલ પરનો ફોટો એ સંઘાતની દિવ્યતાની પ્રતીતિ પૂરતો રહ્યો છે. ખાલી તાલીમ સિવાય પણ હું ત્યાં ઘણું બધું શીખી છું, અને બંને ગુરુની તાલીમ ઉપરાંત એ હૂંફ પણ મિસ કરી રહી છું. બડે સર અને બડે મેમ સાથે તો બહુ યાદો જોડાયેલી છે. હજુ પણ મિસ કરું છું એ સ્માઇલ જે મને ખૂબ વાલી છે. આપ બંનેનો સાથ બની રહે સુવર્ણકાળ નહીં, પણ સદાકાળ. વધુને વધુ લોકો પામી શકે એ તક, તાલીમ અને આપ બંનેનું પ્રેમ અપાર. હેપી એન્ડ હેલ્ધી વેડિંગ એનિવર્સરી ટુ યુ બડે સર એન્ડ બડે મેમ.
Happy wedding anniversary, Bhaskar sir and Radha ma'am. I would like to thank you for being the best gurus that I could ever ask for. It has been a great honor to have performed and learned classical dance under your guidance. Also, I would like to thank you for making me feel like I'm home, away from home, for giving me all the love and support. I would also like to say that I have seen the love and the funny moments that you have shared with each other, and it has been a great thing to witness that. I hope and I wish that you cherish those funny and lovely moments with each other forever. Once again, happy wedding anniversary, sir and ma'am. Thank you.
Happy 50th anniversary, Radha ma'am and Bhaskar sir. I remember when I came to Mudra for the first time and Radha ma'am took my audition. Aparna ma'am was also sitting with her and she said that she can be a good dancer. And since then until now, for that whole journey, Radha ma'am and Bhaskar sir both have helped us so much and had a lot of influence on us, and them and their guidance has helped us become a very good dancer. I also remember while we went to for Udaipur for a dance, I saw how caring sir was towards Radha ma'am especially. He took care of her just like a small kid, and that is kind of the couple goals that we see nowadays. Also, Radha ma'am has especially helped me during my Arangetram practices. She taught me a very graceful and very expressive dance which was loved by everyone. And also during my Visharat practices, whenever Radha ma'am was not feeling good or she was late, Bhaskar sir would take the class, and after that whenever she would be okay, like yeah, I will take the class, the rest of the class, he would give back it to her. And that is the way that showed us how they support each other very much. And also Radha ma'am has helped me very much during my Visharat journey. Her guidance was very helpful. Happy anniversary again.
Happy wedding anniversary, dear sir and ma'am. On your 50 golden years of love and union, I would like to wish you a very happy anniversary, sir and ma'am. It's been a blessing for us that you both are guru for us, and you have been teaching us many things. Thank you for coming in our life. Thank you so much, and anniversary wishes once again. Thank you.
Namaste Bhaskar sir and Radha madam. At the outset, I take this opportunity to congratulate you both on your 50th marriage anniversary. You both are like Radha and Krishna, a eternal loving couple. Sir, I am saying this because when I attended classes, I always saw you both talking to each other or seeing at each other very lovingly. Sir, madam, when I joined Mudra class, that time I was 35 plus, but you both welcomed me with open hearts and a smiling face. It gave me a courage to pursue my art of dance and to perform my Visharat at the same time Arangetram at the age of 50. It was indeed a really a great encouragement for me. I am very much thankful for that. Sir, learning dance under your guidance was a little tough because you being a perfectionist guru never allowed any mistake. Where Radha madam was always with a smiling face. Radha madam, you have got one rare human quality. Your heart is very it's like an ocean, very silent and deep. You always take sorrows of others. You console people. I have seen it with my own eyes. And you always give empathy to others. It's really indeed a very rare human quality. Sir, madam, you and your family have kept this art of classical dancing alive and added value to the society. I really wish God that you celebrate your anniversaries for years and years together. I wish that you all have a good life, a good healthy life and prosperity and prosperity. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to speak to you and give my wishes on this auspicious day.
50वीं शादी की सालगिरह पर भास्कर सर और राधा मैम को मेरी यह रचना समर्पित। सुबह की अदरक वाली चाय से लेकर शाम को गजरा क्यों भूल गए वाली मीठी तीखी नोक-झोंक तो हुई होगी। मैम ने किया होगा कभी अबोला और सर ने अपने प्यारे अंदाज से उन्हें मनाया जरूर होगा। सबके सामने ढेर सारी बातें करती यह दो सुंदर आंखें अकेले में शर्मा जाती होगी। मैम का अपनी प्यारी अदाओं से रूठना और सर का उन्हें अपनी सुंदर मुद्राओं से मनाना पूरे कायनात को रोमांचित करता होगा। बारिश के मौसम में दोनों के दिल में आज भी प्यारे बुलबुले जरूर होते होंगे और क्यों न हो 50 सालों के यह प्यारे एहसास में दोनों की चाहतें पीकी हुई जो है। 50 साल पहले हाथों में हाथ डाले शुरू किया हुआ यह सफर इतने ही प्यार से और हजारों साल तक यूं ही कदम से कदम मिलाकर साथ चलता रहे, यही दुआ है हमारी रब से। किंजल, संस्कृति और मैं हम तीनों आपकी छत्र छाया में आपके आशीर्वाद से भरतनाट्यम की उच्च तालीम हासिल कर सके। आप दोनों का योगदान नृत्य के प्रति हो या परिवार के प्रति हम सब के लिए एक प्यारी मिसाल है। आप दोनों को बहुत बहुत बधाई। कितना प्यारा लगता है जब आप अपने साथी के साथ प्यार भरे 50 साल के लम्हों को सुंदर यादों के एल्बम में सजाते जाते हैं। हैप्पी गोल्डन जुबिली टू बोथ ऑफ यू loveliest couple of the world, dear Bhaskar sir and dear Radha ma'am. From Jayashree, Kinjal and Sanskriti.
Namaste Bhaskar sir and Radha ma'am. This is your disciple Mansi Dave, currently in Mumbai, wishing you a very happy anniversary and 50 years of togetherness. This is indeed such a great moment and I am privileged to be wishing you today a very happy anniversary, sir and ma'am. You have inspired me and several other girls. You have no idea about it, sir and ma'am. And I was a little child when I joined Mudra School of Classical Dances, and you were the dance teachers who saw some kind of a talent in me and groomed me into a dancer, which has helped to mold my personality big time. I can never thank you enough. When you are down, all you need is someone who can show trust in you. Thank you, dear teachers. Thank you, dear gurus, who never gave up on me. I still have so many moments to cherish, and it was under your humble guidance that I learned dance. I performed my Arangetram. I got Kalke Kalakar, I got my Visharat, and I performed in various national dance programs. I won the youth festival. It was your scrutinization and scrutiny every single moment that helped me to bring the dancer out of me from within. I thank you from the bottom of my heart, because it is dance that is keeping me grounded today. It is your training, it is your values that you have given us, which is helping me at every step of life, even to take major decisions in my professional and personal life apart from dancing. So I am not a dancer trained under you. I am a humble human being who has learned to be grounded and to serve the community without any kind of pride and any kind of arrogance. I bow down to both the gurus and wish you many more years of togetherness. My dear gurus, thank you so much.
Hello, I am Tathya. I am Sthira.
And my name is Taruna. We all are learning Bharatanatyam at Mudra.
Initially, I was afraid of Bhaskar sir and Radha ma'am, but gradually I came to know that they both are having a very wonderful nature. Sometimes Radha ma'am took our classes. Though they are extremely talented, they are having very polite and friendly nature. Both are my inspiration.
Happy 50th anniversary to both Sir and Ma'am. We all pray to God for their healthy and wealthy life ahead. Thank you.
Namaste to all my gurus in Mudra. Many congratulations in completing 50 years in the field of performing arts and dance. Whatever I have achieved is because of all of you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. And to the ones who have just been inducted in this family, once a Mudraite, you'll always remain a Mudraite. You'll always be a part of this ever-growing family. Do your best. I wish you all the good luck. Thank you so much.
Myself, Amritiraj Singh, the student of Mudra Dance School, wishes a very happy anniversary to our legend gurus. It is a prayer to Almighty to give them a very happy and healthy life. It is my devotion to perform some mudras that is purely dedicated to them. Wishing Gurus of Mudra for 50th anniversary.
Hello Radha ma'am and Bhaskar sir, wishing you 50th wedding anniversary. Today is a milestone for 50 years of successful marriage. May God continue your life with more love and happiness. Wishing you a wonderful 50th wedding anniversary. Once again, happy anniversary.